How to save WhatsApp and WhatsApp business status with single app. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without a second time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and simply tap on search bar. Now type status saver. Now click on search. Now tap on status saver. Now click on install. Now wait for some time until the application is being installed. After installing, simply tap on open. Now click on continue. Now tap on next. Now give the permissions. Simply tap on use this folder. Tap on use this folder. Now click on open app. Now go back. Tap on photos or videos. Now once you find the status, simply tap on download icon. Now click on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.